Welcome to Literacy Lunch, where every meal is a metaphor and we edit a recipe one word at a time. Today, we're going to take zero sugar box cake and we're going to up the fiber and everything else by adding beans to it because apparently when you're on the internet, that's how you do things. I don't know, man. I'm just a writer. Just get off my back. Get off my back. What we're editing is the water and oil. We still need plenty of moisture and we need fat. So we're going to have things that bump everything up on the nutrition and keep those things intact. We're going to do butter beans. You want to drain them. You also want to rinse them. So make sure you rinse all the starch off. Okay, we're going to add in 3 eggs. Okay, we got our eggs in there. We're going to go 1/3 of a cup of Greek yogurt. Do a little vanilla in there. If you're not using Mexican vanilla, I don't know what you're doing with your life. Blend this up. Get it smooth. Make sure it's really smooth. Set that oven for 325. To 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I don't work for these guys. I just like this butter. Okay, melt this. Usually about 30-45 seconds is fine. Yeah, I lied. It took me like almost 2 minutes. Okay, we're going to add this. Okay, so we add our butter in there. Then we're going to add our powder. Stir it up, yo. Okay, we got it mixed, but it's a little too thick, so we got to add a little water. I'm going to use the same bowl so we can get some more of that butter. Okay, it took about a 1/2 cup of water, but we got it to about the consistency I was looking for. It also smells great. I'm going to do these in bundt pans just because I think that's cooler. Okay, grease your molds, add your batter. All right, put them on a pan to make them easier to get in and out of the oven. And before you give me any crap in the comments, I am a writer who cooks, not a cook who writes. Set our timer for 18 minutes. Okay, I chopped them off. Now I'm going to put these in the fridge. I kept all my little pieces here. Okay, we got our little bundt cakes. Now I'm going to make the icing. Okay, we're going to make our frosting. We're going to start with Greek yogurt. I'm going to do about 1/4 of a cup. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Close enough. I'm going to do about 2 tablespoons of the zero sugar Cool Whip. Mexican vanilla, a little bit of that. A little bit of agave. Salt. Mix it up. It's a little thick. We're going to add a splash of milk. Okay, so I got the consistency more where I wanted it, but it's not quite sweet enough, so I added a little bit more agave, and I'm going to add just a pinch of sugar. Real sugar. Okay, it looks to be about a tablespoon. We're adding that in. A little too salty, so I added some more agave and some more sugar. I think what we're missing is more Cool Whip, so I went in with some more of that. So I got the consistency that I want, so it's kind of like a chocolate mousse. Okay, so I dipped them. This is what I came up with. Now, real bakers out there are probably like, oh my God, but I want it to be tasty and as healthy as possible, and I think I achieved that. It tastes great. So I'm going to let these chill in my fridge. I found it interesting that I had to keep adding things to the frosting because the whole metaphor, the point that I was trying to make with this video is that editing is not just replacing words, it's replacing jobs. And I had to keep upping the sweetness because it wasn't doing the job yet. So remember, however it is you're editing, whether it's your speech or your writing or your recipes, it has to replace a job, not just a word. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.